Hi friends, thanks for joining me for hashtag Tag Along With Us. This is an open collaboration and it is hosted by Annie of Annie Creates and Martha Hamilton of Granny's House. If you don't know them, go check them out. And also, if you check out the hashtag Tag Along With Us, you can see all of the other collaborators. And you can join in if you'd like to. I went ahead and I stitched this on because I wanted to get that crinkle in it right there. And you can do that with glue, but it's a lot easier to stitch it with a sewing machine. It's faster, there's no mess, especially when you're dealing with lace because the glue comes right up through it and then it's all over your fingers and everything. So that's what I did there. Now I'm going to go ahead and attach these two little tags, and then I'll go ahead and put an eyelet here and some ribbon. Okay friends, while these are drying on here, I was deciding which beautiful ribbon to use. These are all gorgeous. And I think I'm going to go with the brown because it pulls the gold out. And so that's what I think we're going to do, even though I love these blues so much. I think the brown is the right choice, and especially because this is kind of a fall, I'm working with some fall colors here. So I think that's the right choice for this. So now I'm going to pick my brad color. So I ordered a variety pack of brads off of Amazon, and so I have all these colors to choose from. Isn't that fun? So I'm thinking, since we're going to go ahead and use brown ribbon, I'll just use a brown brad. I don't really have blue. I've got greens and reds, purples, blacks, gold, but not blue. So I think brown is a good choice. And I think now these should be dry enough for me to take them off. And then we can go ahead and get our brad in. And I'll just give this one more push with my hand just to be sure. I don't mind if the tags stick up just a little bit like they are. Kind of gives it a little bit of more depth actually, so that doesn't bother me. I know it's secured on to the fabric, so they're not going anywhere. They're just not, you know, pressed firmly down, and I'm okay with that. Let me know what you guys think. If you feel, you know, they're connected down here. Now I could, this would be kind of fun, I could put a little tag in there. I could secure like this corner here, and then we'd have like a little pouch. It'd be kind of shallow, but I could use one of these twinchy size ones. Oh, look how deep it goes down. Yeah, if I secured the corner, we have to do it, guys. We have to do it. So let's go ahead and finish our thought with the brad and the ribbon, and then we'll make a little pocket. Hi friends, so I let this dry, and of course the satin ribbon is in. I made a little tiny tag and put a little brown yarn on it, and I tucked it in here, and I tuck it in sideways so we don't cover up the words Earl Grey, but it made me think that I need to go ahead and get some Earl Grey and actually tuck that down in there, and wouldn't that be cute? Friends, I hope you liked my tag. Thanks for watching. See you soon.